Welcome to the Holly Area Community Show. I'm Jody, your host, brought to you by Reach in Holly, Minnesota, and I'm at Holly High School today. And with me is Brett Schmidt, the athletic director at Holly High School. Welcome to our show, Brett.
Thank you, Jody.
We're here to talk about the newly revitalized Booster Club in the Holly schools. And the reason why I wanted to talk to you is I understand that you were a big reason for this revitalization.
Well, our Booster Club it hadn't died, but it had really kind of gotten into the background here at Holly High School, and we really wanted to bring the Booster Club forward, give people a chance, an opportunity to participate with our corporate partner program. We've seen the great support from the businesses in the area, and this was a way to get individual families involved.
I think it's wonderful. Now, I remember the Booster Club being very involved in things like banquets back in the day, but do you happen to know when the Holly Booster Club was started?
I believe it was started in about 1975.
Okay. So here we are in the new millennium, and it looks like you've got a lot of support for this. Why is the Holly Booster Club important to the school?
Well, when I went into our fall sports meeting, and I'd put out a letter to some families and also on the school website stating what I'd like to have a group of people stay and talk about reorganizing the Booster Club. And I didn't know if I'd be sitting in the auditorium by myself or if there'd be people there, and there was at least 50 people there. It was just incredible, and ever since that time, the group of people that have decided to take officers have just taken off with this and are doing a great job of getting things rolling.
I've noticed it looks like you've got some really good leadership in that, and it looks like they're seeing results already. Now, with the money that's raised, what are some of the projects that you're looking at doing for the school?
Yeah, in recent years, the Booster Club has supported our awards program, so plaques for student athletes for their individual sports, also for state tournament plaques, team awards for most valuable players and things like that. They've also sponsored some scholarships at the end of each school year. We give 3 scholarships to 3 athlete boys and to 3 athlete girls at the end of the school year, and we are going to continue to do that. But the Booster Club has also taken on a larger project this school year, and that larger project is the refinishing of our gym floor in our gymnasium.
I bet that'll be quite a project. Yeah. That's quite the gym.
Yeah, about every 10 years or so, the gym floor should be sanded off, completely repainted and refinished, and it is a very large, doing by the school, and it's something that's about 12 years, so it's overdue. We see the gym as a centerpiece. Lots of things happen in the gymnasium. It involves almost all of our athletic programs, so the Booster Club decided that would be kind of a nice area to start with.
Yeah. And any idea of what that's going to set you back?
Well, the complete refinishing is going to be between $35,000 and $40,000.
Wow.
But the Booster Club has said that whatever amount we have at the end of the year, it will go towards it. So whether we pay a tenth of it, half of it, all of it, will just kind of be up to the Booster Club.
Because the Booster Club is a separate entity from the school itself, correct? It's an independent group, right?
Yep. The Booster Club is completely separate of the high school, and what will happen is that the Booster Club will give a check at the end of the year to the school in support of this project.
Okay.
And in that way, the school can take funds that they would have directed towards the project and put it back towards, let's say, athletic supplies or some of those types of things for our student athletes to help keep from cutting those.
Okay. Well, great. Thank you so much for coming. I know you're a busy guy. So we're going to talk to somebody from the Booster Club, but first we'll take a little break. Welcome back. We're at Holly High School, and we're with Mary Ladisa, who, if you're a viewer of the show, is very familiar. Typically, Mary is here representing Greater Holly Homes, but today she's representing the Holly Booster Club. Welcome, Mary.
Why, thank you, Jody.
Mary is on the membership committee of the Booster Club.
Correct.
And so we just talked to Brett Schmidt, and he told us about why there's a need for the Booster Club to grow. Can you tell us, as a person of the membership committee, what you're doing to woo members into the Booster Club?
Well, one thing I would want to just touch base on is we have the corporate sponsorship program, and that has been, excellent. It's gone over very well. The idea with the Booster Club is this is an individual family, the chance for these individual families to get to be a part of this, of the sports programs or to be a helper at Holly High. So that's kind of where we're starting.
So I've helped out in the concession stand, and I know that's a lot of fun, and it's a great way, if you don't know that much about football, but you want to be a part of it all, it's kind of a fun way to contribute. But you're also looking for members, correct?
We are looking for members. We have 4 different levels of membership. So if you want to be an active member of the Booster Club, you can. And we have different committees that you might be interested in. We have a marketing committee, we have a membership committee, we have the concessions committee also. So there's a lot of different committees that you could be a part of, or you can just donate and be kind of a silent partner, just be a Booster Club member.
Just donate any amount that you feel comfortable with.
Correct. We do have 4 different levels, however,
wow,
that you can take a look at and see what works for you.
Well, it just sounds like it's so much more organized than it has been in the past, so there's different ways that people can get involved,
correct,
which I think is great. And I have noticed at games there's more activity. Now, I attended the tailgate party before the football game, which I thought was so fun, but I've also noticed some tickets that you sell, or...
We do split the pot. Now, we're not going to do that at every single game, but it has been a great way for us to make some money. And people really can get involved by just buying a $10 ticket or, you know, whatever. But it's been great. And all of that money, again, goes to the Booster Club, which will help pay for the gym floor. In return, would help all of our kids. Everybody uses the gym.
Now, there has been a little bit of controversy involved with the Split the Pot. And you get to buy an arm's length of tickets.
Yes, correct.
Now, my husband has the arms of a condor, so he's saying that he should have that length. Now, Jane Eklund has much shorter arms. I want to know from you, Mary, how many tickets can he get? Can he get an arm's length?
He can get his own arm's length if it's, you know, if he needs that, yes, he can.
Wonderful. Okay,
yes,
great. Are there any other things brewing that you're looking at? I know that you don't meet every month, you meet every few months. What are some other things you're talking about doing for fundraising?
Okay, we are going to have a membership social night. It's going to kick off the winter sports season. And right now we're talking about having the coaches come and speak with us, and it'll kind of, you know, we're going to do something fun with that. However, if you want to be a member, the members meet once a month also. So if you want to be an active member, you can meet once a month. If not, we're going to have social 3 times a year.
Okay. And so, if someone wants to become a member, how do they go about it? Who do they call?
They can call me.
Of course they can. And your number, maybe we can flash.
Can we do that?
Your number and contact Mary. And if you need a house, contact Mary too. Or actually, for most anything, call Mary. Thank you so much for joining us. This is so exciting and I think so necessary for the community.
It's been great. Over 71 members, family members already.
Amazing. 71 members. Well, thanks again and see you next time.